I'm going to show you a great buy-sell strategy on the 5-minute time frame that you can use in any market. Welcome back to Trades by Mo, and in this video I'm going to show you one of my personal favourite buy-sell indicators on TradingView. For this method to work, we're going to use two indicators that I'm going to show you now. I'd like to quickly tell you about TraderEdge. TraderEdge is a website that allows you to track your trades, backtest strategies, calculate position sizes, and so much more. Thousands of traders are using TraderEdge to get an edge on the competition. The backtester section allows you to easily track backtesting progress, and it provides a ton of important data. I've used this to backtest all of my strategies shared on the channel. TraderEdge also provides indicators and strategies that you can start using today to become a profitable trader. On top of all of this, TraderEdge is also giving you a step-by-step guide on backtesting worth $100. You'll also receive a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy, which has a value of $240. If you sign up right now, they'll even throw in 4 pre-made high-quality strategies that are worth $100 alone. That's $470 worth of bonuses absolutely free, and they offer a 7-day free trial so you can try it out today completely risk-free. Make sure you click the link in the description to claim your bonuses now. So we're going to use two indicators for this strategy. I'm going to type in EMA, let's moving average exponential here, and we're going to change the length to 200 and the style to white, thickness 2. This is going to be our trend signal, especially on the 5-minute time frame, so when price is below this we'll only be looking for sells, and when price is above we'll only be looking for buys. But there are some trades that you can take that are opposite to that, and I'll show you why in a minute. For the buy and sell indicator we're going to use the Chandelier exit, this one here by Everget. And for the settings, I've changed the ATR period to 1 and the ATR multiplier to 2. And then on the style, we're basically just going to keep the buy label and the sell label. So super simple strategy. We're going to make sure that the price is closed below the 200 moving average. And then we're going to wait for a sell signal to paint. But we only enter the trade once that candle has closed that the signal is painted on. This is very important because this indicator will repaint otherwise. So for example, you can see this candle right here issued a sell, but if you have got on when this painted, it may have pulled back a little bit and disappeared. So for this sell, we wouldn't enter here, we would wait until the close and we'd enter on this candle. Make sense? Now let me show you some trades. Like I said, for a sell trade, we want to make sure price is closed and is below the 200 moving average. So we can see there's a sell paint here on this candle, but we don't enter on this candle, we enter on the next one after it when that candle's closed and the sell is locked. If it's a long candle, we put it at the top of the candle, or we put it at the recent swing high. And then we target 1.5 times the risk and this trade would have hit. So the exact same applies for a buy. Here's the twist. So you can see that the 200 EMA is this white line here. Price came and closed below the 200 EMA, but then it came back above again, and a buy signal painted above. Now you can get in signals when they're on the opposite side of the EMA, just as long as that candle closes on the right side. But as long as the candle closed above for a buy or closes below for a sell, then it's safe to enter. But remember, you wouldn't enter on this candle. We want to avoid repaints, so you enter on the start of this candle here. That hit take profit as well. I'm now going to use the backtester on TraderEdge to backtest the strategy. Please hit that subscribe button, and now let's see the results. So I've now backtested this from the start of September, which is only a couple of days ago, but bearing in mind this is on the 5-minute time frame, we managed to do 39 trades, technically 40 because one is still open right now. We set the initial account balance at $5,000. This is because the smallest MyForexFunds account is $5,000 and it only costs $49. After 39 trades, we went from $5,000 to just over $6,000. 24 wins and 15 losses, and we had 8 consecutive wins in a row and 3 consecutive losses. But definitely do backtest this out, maybe try it on a different time frame or different pairs, maybe on stocks or forex pairs as well. But I hope you have enjoyed. Please hit that subscribe button and thank you for watching.